It's not going to happen overnight. 10 years is the vision which we have set for Mumbai City. I am Firoza. I am the first bicycle mayor of Mumbai. We started the campaign Cycle Chala City Bacha during the pandemic. It was much needed. We saw a 35% increase of cycling which happened. But someone needs to sustain the momentum. So we planned this entire campaign, Cycle Chala City Bacha. With that, we appointed 24 bicycle councillors. Each ward has a bicycle councillor now. Mumbai is made out of 24 wards. It's very important that we need to have a grassroots level work going on in individual ward, a bit of capacity building within it, which gives us a good balance between increasing ridership because there is a momentum and then you have to engage all of the cyclists within that particular ward, that is multiplied by 24, and also understand that how we can impact the infrastructure because it's not only urban cyclists we are trying to promote, we are also nurturing the dabba wala, doodh wala, istri wala, the livelihood bicycles. And that's a bigger chunk of cyclists which we have in Mumbai city. Until unless we are not able to help them grow or build up that ecosystem because they have been cycling in Mumbai, whether irrespective of humidity, pothole problems, all the infrastructure problem, there's no cycle track, but they have been cycling. Okay, so yes, Cycle Challa City Bacha is also inclusive. We will look at donating 1 lakh cycles by 2023. Our vision for Mumbai is making Mumbai the cycling capital of India by 2030. First timeline which we have kept is donating those 1 lakh cycles to the urban poor settlement, which is very, very important for us to spike up ridership, which will create that necessary pressure on the infrastructure to create more cycle stands, to have cycle tracks, because it's easy to get a cycle track. ट्रस्ट मी पेंट करो ग्रीन वाइट लाइन और आपको साइकिल ट्रैक मिल जाएगा बट इफ़ इज़ अंडर यूटिलाइज फिर वो क्या हो जाता है देन जैसे वो यहाँ पे तो टू व्हीलर भी चला रहे हैं कार भी आ रहे हैं पार्किंग हो गया बट दैट्स नाउ हाउ इट इज़ यू नीड टू हैव अ राइट बैलेंस बिटवीन increasing more ridership on the road and having the necessary infrastructure for that particular ward or particular city. So that's where Cycle Chala City Bacha comes in. And I'm thankful that we are able to, we've appointed the 24 bicycle councillors. I'm part of a global leadership program called, which is run by a Dutch NGO called Bikes. They have 100 bicycle mayors globally. In India, there are 43. I'm the first bicycle mayor for Mumbai. And we are the first city to appoint the bicycle councillors. That itself is a proud moment. Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very proud with of the kind of leadership which we were able to tap through the Cycle Chala City Bacha initiative. Look for more things happening. You can get connected with us. We have appointed bicycle marshals also, and we have a page, Instagram page, Facebook page, Twitter page. Connect with us, get to know more about what we are planning and what we are doing. We are planning in future. There's a cycle rally which is happening on 7th of Feb from traffic headquarters to Gateway of India. Lot of things happening. We'll can get connected on our social media and you'll get to know. So ride safe and please wear a helmet. Take care.
Cycle Chala City Bacha. So this is a very good concept, especially in Mumbai, because Mumbai is such a crowded city. Since the 130 years, all the 5,000 Dabbalas are using the bicycle, and in the future we would use the bicycle because pollution-less Mumbai is our target. We would like to say one thing to the Mumbaikars. So please use the bicycles and support Mumbai for the pollution-less.
आज ज्या पद्धतीने हे जे मिशन होता मेकिंग मुंबई द सायकल कॅपिटल बाय 2030, तर मला असं वाटतं की ते सहज शक्य आहे. आणि ज्या पद्धतीनं ही डेडिकेटेड टीम आहे, कमिटेड लोक आहेत, तर त्यांच्या भरोश्यावर ते पुढच्या 9-10 वर्षामध्ये ती वेळ निश्चित येऊ शकते आणि मुंबईकरांसाठी मला असं वाटतं की तो सुवर्ण दिवस असू शकेल.
I think it's really commendable the work that Feroza is doing and the community that Feroza is trying to build. 24 enthusiastic cyclists wanting to do something for the city. It is absolutely encouraging and like fantastic for me to see. So I wish Feroza and the team all the very best really for this.
Today's event with like all stakeholders coming in, people from the traffic side to the right now the city, the monthly yearly campaign is going on for the road safety. So I would compliment really Feroza on her initiative. She's very passionate. In fact, in last 10 years we have added a lot of value to this movement of cycling from our understanding and our perspective, and I'm glad that we have reached a level right now.
What we now see is that it has led to the most congested and polluted cities in our country. So walking and cycling is still predominant in our countries, and that is what should be picking up. How Yulu is contributing to this is that we have introduced e-bikes for last mile commuting. So whoever is using a public transportation, be it local trains, metros or buses, to bring them from their homes to the nearest public transport hub, and from the public transport hub to their office is where we are introducing this e-cycles, the e-bikes. And this is a small way for us to contribute to the larger cause that we are looking at 50% trips by 2030 using a bicycle.
I think this is an amazing initiative that Feroza and the entire team at Smart City Commute has started. This whole idea of Cycle Chala City Bacha event has been a great success. We as a young urban design and planning firm are always there to support this. We've talked about this a lot with Feroza and how this can be really initiated taken to different kind of agencies, government agencies, and actually implement some of these cycling hardware infrastructure that she keeps on talking about. We really want to make sure that everybody who cycles is really encouraged to take out the cycles more and go and do all their everyday small chores on cycles. We are always there to help this particular cause and are going to be in full support.
It's about making our city safe enough for our children and their children to also have this opportunity to continue to cycle and to enjoy actually the mode, because it's the only mode that you will enjoy in while you're traveling. And I know so many people who have transformed their lives because they have suddenly found cycling. So this event is to basically keep this momentum going and create more aspirations for cyclists and make it an aspirational mode, make it such that everybody wants to cycle.